Hello Gemmers! So today I'm going to try out this game. Actually, I've played it before, I just always forget to... I always delete it because I'm never really that interested at sometimes. Ooh, bunnies. Cute little auto bunnies. So sorry about your earbuds getting blown out in that first segment. I love AJ's animations. They don't have as many that anymore. Name this bunny. Derpy? Yeah, he's a pretty derpy bunny, so we're gonna name him that. Actually, I found out you can name these bunnies pretty much anything, which is kind of weird. Ooh, so first we're going to get some manual labor by digging out all this. So she's teaching the bunnies how to slave away at stuff. So Peck is obviously an alpha, and she's like, oh, don't worry, I fell for this before too. So why is she teaching us how to do it? Not used to manual. Well, we're in Jama, so we don't really need to dig. We have houses. Oh wow, carrots. So we're, yeah, just for the video, I'm gonna speed it up, but yeah, 2 energy. Oh wow, that's totally gonna keep me going. And there he goes, digging and digging. How did he even survive this long with that? Oh wow, level 2. Yeah, I get it. 1 star, that's it. Soon you'll have your own underground city. Well, I don't need a city underground, thanks, Peck, but no. Woohoo, check it out, you're mining gems. I'm mining, and I only got 2. Wait, that looks like a giant eyeball in the sky. It's like watching us. There's another... Seriously? They must not be very smart if they fell for the same thing. Too fearless. A big pile of... Well, that sounds... okay. Even though the only ones who fell through were male bunnies, I don't know what that's all about. So apparently other bunnies fell through it? Like, how many bunnies came through this portal? Just the 2 of us, or? So I'm just gonna wait. So this video is just a space place. I meant to do a Jamaliday one, but my recorder was acting all weird, so I got this instead. I really hope my microphone is loud enough for this thing, because it's not a very high quality microphone. Yep, we're just gonna collect more carrots, and ooh, level 3, wow. 2 stars, really? Ooh, shopping. Need some furniture. A dance floor? Really? Okay. I've never heard of dancing being romantic, but... New goal. I mean, that's kind of weird for AJ to do that. And then we have Bunny. Wow, I'm so broke right now. Voila, an egg. And Cactus Bunny. I can understand. No, I'm not gonna name it after you, Peck. Why would I name my bunny after you? I don't exactly like that name. I don't know how she got that name, because Liza and all these others, they have all those fancy names. Then there's Peck. Oh yes, I'll put more of my bunnies to work, have them slave away at everything. So I'm recording this kind of after I filmed it, because my microphone isn't working really well. So this is almost like 11 minutes of bunnies. And ooh, more bunny. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff I'm getting. Okay, it can stop. Is it stopping? It's not. Oh, there it is. Okay, new goals, blah, 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 stuff. Bugs. Okay, so I'm going to pause it here and just skip until the end. Okay, this is dirt. Oh, a bug. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs in this game, like so many bugs. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do today. Yeah. Bye. Because I don't have an ending.
Together now, together now. We were born to fly, limit.